In this vibrant landscape of innovation and unity, it's essential to keep the momentum alive. Encourage your team to share insights and reflect on experiences during regular meetings, creating an atmosphere rich in dialogue. As members openly discuss their journeys and challenges, they will foster stronger relationships, enhancing their trust in one another. As these connections deepen, consider implementing cross-departmental projects that allow diverse skills to shine. This collaboration not only breaks down barriers, but also showcases the unique strengths each member brings to the table, ultimately driving creativity and problem-solving. Empowering individuals to lead these initiatives will signify trust in their abilities, fostering a strong sense of ownership and pride within the team. The digital tools at your disposal can be game changers when integrated thoughtfully into your daily operations. Providing training sessions focused on these tools ensures your team is not only ready but excited to embrace innovative solutions. For instance, tutorial workshops can demystify AI applications and show how they effectively augment their daily tasks. As familiarity grows, so too does excitement, encouraging employees to leverage technology as a natural part of their workflow rather than a daunting task to tackle. This confidence is essential as it fosters an environment where creative problem-solving flourishes, resulting in ideas that propel the organization forward. Allowing team members to voice their unique perspectives during these sessions guarantees that the transition feels inclusive, garnering a sense of collective ownership in the technology being adopted. When employees see themselves as active participants in this transformation, they are more likely to engage and innovate, leading to fruitful outcomes that align with the shared goals of the company. As collaboration deepens, consider establishing a mentorship program pairing seasoned employees with newer members. This initiative will not only bridge generational gaps, but also create a culture of sharing knowledge and skills. By fostering these connections, experienced team members can offer valuable insights, guiding newcomers through intricate processes and encouraging them to explore their potential fully. Meetings dedicated to mentorship discussions will provide a platform for mutual growth, allowing both mentors and mentees to thrive. This exchange of ideas nurtures a sense of belonging within the team and reinforces the collective mission, setting the stage for shared success. Investing in collaborative tools will further enhance communication and efficiency. These resources allow for real-time sharing of ideas and updates, transforming how your team interacts day by day. By prioritizing user-friendly interfaces and integrating platforms that align with employee needs, you foster a sense of transparency that enlightens decision-making processes. This openness encourages continuous input from all levels, leading to collective brainstorming sessions where creative solutions can emerge organically. As employees feel empowered to contribute, innovation will become a natural part of your culture, reinforcing the collaborative spirit needed to tackle challenges. This infrastructure not only streamlines workflows but also cultivates a proactive mindset, sparking enthusiasm across your organization. By continuously adapting these strategies, you will ensure engagement remains high, and your team will thrive in a culture defined by trust and shared objectives. To further bolster this collaborative spirit, consider hosting regular innovation workshops where team members can brainstorm ideas, prototype solutions, and present their findings. These workshops create a safe space for creativity to soar, allowing diverse thoughts to intersect and nurturing a sense of community. Enthusiastic participation will morph these sessions into exciting opportunities for personal and professional growth. As ideas blossom into tangible projects, recognize and celebrate the collective efforts, reinforcing the notion that everyone's contributions matter. This acknowledgement transforms the experience into a powerful catalyst for motivation, urging team members to think outside the box and explore uncharted territories in their respective fields. Ultimately, these initiatives will not only enhance team dynamics, but also position your organization as a forward-thinking leader in your industry, paving the way for a future rich with innovation and success. Amidst these initiatives, it's vital to maintain a clear vision that aligns with your organization's core values. Regularly revisiting the mission and goals ensures that every project ties back to the larger purpose, keeping the team anchored in their collective journey. Provide opportunities for employees to reflect on their contributions, allowing them to understand how their efforts fit into the bigger picture. As this clarity emerges, team members will feel more connected and invested, inspiring them to drive the business forward with enthusiasm. Foster an environment where feedback is not only welcomed but actively sought, transforming critiques into constructive discussions that propel growth. Through this dedication to alignment and continuous improvement, your organization will thrive as a cohesive unit, ready to tackle any challenge and seize new opportunities with confidence. As the innovation workshops continue to flourish, encourage employees to take ownership of their learning journeys. Each participant should feel empowered to explore new tools and methods, asking questions and testing boundaries in a supportive atmosphere. When employees recognize that their input is valued, they become more invested in collaborative efforts, contributing unique ideas that enhance the collective vision. Turning aspirations into actionable objectives maintains momentum, resulting in a team that cohesively drives toward success with unwavering enthusiasm. Embrace the energy from these sessions to propel your organization's mission forward, attracting talent and fostering a culture where innovation is celebrated. As these workshops evolve into a staple of your organization, consider integrating guest speakers or industry experts to offer fresh insights and inspire creativity. Inviting diverse voices not only enriches the conversation, but also introduces new perspectives that can challenge existing thought processes. This infusion of external ideas will stimulate innovation, enabling your team to see beyond internal boundaries and think bigger. By creating an environment where continuous learning is prioritized, you encourage team members to remain agile and receptive to change. The result is a workforce empowered to embrace challenges, adapt strategies, and ultimately drive meaningful impact in their work. Each enriched dialogue sharpens your team's capabilities, fostering a culture that thrives on exploration and growth. As these empowering conversations unfold, the emphasis on inclusivity must remain a priority. Facilitate workshops where everyone feels free to express their thoughts and creative ideas, giving every voice the opportunity to shine. This inclusive practice not only nurtures innovation, but also strengthens the overall team cohesion, ensuring that all perspectives shape the direction of projects. When every member contributes to the dialogue, they become invested in the outcomes, enhancing their commitment to the team's success. Furthermore, celebrating these diverse contributions cultivates an atmosphere of recognition that resonates with individuals, inspiring them to take greater risks and aim higher. By fostering such an environment, you position your organization not just as a collective, but as a community driven by shared dreams and aspirations, ultimately paving the way for exceptional achievements. As every team member finds their unique voice within this collaborative ecosystem, the transformation becomes palpable. Ideas that once felt dormant begin to spark, igniting enthusiasm and a renewed sense of purpose. The authentic connections established through this process will not only break down previous barriers, but also elevate the quality of teamwork. Individuals start to see challenges as opportunities for growth, embracing change with open arms, committed to navigating the complexities of their roles together. This shared journey, fueled by active participation, shapes a culture where innovation thrives, ensuring that the entire organization moves forward as one cohesive body of creativity and ambition. As you cultivate this environment, remember that recognition plays a pivotal role in motivation. Celebrate not only the large victories, but also the small incremental achievements that pave the way for success. By acknowledging these contributions, you reinforce a culture of appreciation that encourages continued engagement and innovation. As each team member feels valued, their commitment to surpassing expectations will grow, propelling your organization to new heights. Establishing this rhythm of recognition ensures that the journey towards excellence is marked by unity and shared enthusiasm, aligning everyone with the vision of sustainable success. In this vibrant tapestry of collaboration and growth, your organization stands poised on the cusp of greatness. By weaving together creativity, technology, and strong team dynamics, you pave the way for a future where innovation knows no bounds, ensuring that every individual plays a vital role in shaping the journey ahead.